Now I'm actually going to set this portion of my eye. I'm going to set the cloud. Is that what we're calling it? A cloud?
No basic zone.
This is Stushy English Girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey, well, my name is Stushy. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that way you can officially become a part of the Stush gang, and ring the bell while you're down there as well so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And to my lovely returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Always happy to have you guys back as usual to check out a brand new video. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys this look on a platter, okay? This look took me a little while, I'm not gonna lie, but it was definitely 100% worth it. I love this look. I will be using a ton of Juvias Place palettes. I have them all right here. I actually only use 4, so not really a ton, but a good amount. I used 4 palettes to achieve this look, and I love it. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about today's look. And with no further ado, let's get into it. Not gonna lie, I accidentally deleted the first part of today's clip, so I just wanted to let you guys know what I use. All I did was put the base down. I didn't start to, you know, draw out the clouds or anything like that. I knew I couldn't just post a picture without giving you guys a tutorial or showing you guys how I did it. So even though I deleted the clip, I'm like, nah, I gotta push through. So here we are. So just to let you know, I'm using the Warriors number 3 palette by Juvias Place. I used the blue, this one right here, this one right here for this color up here, and for the purple, the one right in the middle, I'd use that for my outer portion, for the outer corner of my eye. And for the poppin' ass pink that you guys see in my inner corner is this color from the Berries palette by Juvias Place. That's what she looks like on the outside. So I think in the next clip you'll see me blending all 3 of the colors together, trying to get them to merge, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I used, okay? Moving forward, I should let you guys know all the palettes that I'll be using, but I did want to just intro you guys to let you guys know what happened, okay? Sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry. So I'm popping in really quickly just to let you guys know that I'm actually just building up some of the purple on the outer portion of my eye, and then I'll start to explain everything else to you guys. Now I'm going back in with pink. Just making sure that all the colors are still vibrant, still there. Blending anything that needs to be blended a little bit more. After I've completed this eye and I liked how everything came out, I kind of wish that I brought the blue over a little bit more, but can't really like move backwards, so we're just gonna match it. You know what I'm saying? That looks pretty similar. I'm gonna get these 2 palettes out of the way because we're basically done with those for right now. Now I'm gonna put some concealer on the back of my hand. You could use a white base if you have. I'm just gonna use a white regular concealer. This one is a little bit lighter than the normal concealers that I'll use like underneath my eye and stuff. So I'm gonna use this to carve out this cloud looking pattern that I have on this eye. I didn't mention the concealer because it's not black owned, so yes, use whatever you got. If it's black owned, good for you, but this one is not black owned, so that's why I'm not mentioning it, because we're only focused on black owned stuff. Actually almost skipped a step. I'm gonna use some micellar water to try to clean up some of the extra shadow that's on my lid area. I'm just using it on a Q-tip. It's about that much, and I'm gonna use the dry side to kind of dry it down too, because anybody got time to wait. Okay, now the concealer's on the back of my hand, so I'm gonna just tap into it. Go ahead and start carving out this cloud that we have on the other eye, on this eye. And I can't really explain it, so kind of just watch me. The brush itself is a big help because, as you guys can see, like that's what the shape of the brush looks like, so it helps me to easily just carve. One, two, three, four, five, six, 6. Okay. Okay, so I basically got the initial outline. I'm just gonna clean it up and fill it in. This is when you fill in it, okay? Yeah, regular packing eyeshadow brush can definitely help you to achieve this shape. Okay, we need that to dry down a bit, so BRB. I'm out of breath. Okay, I had to run downstairs real quick to go downstairs to open the door so that they could take a chair out to have it stuffed and stuff. So I just finished running from up 3 flights of stairs, so that's why I'm out of breath. But let's get back to this look. Okay, my eyes start to crease a bit, but it's okay. I'm gonna set it in a bit anyway, but I just want to clean this up just a little bit more. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm actually going to set this portion of my eye. I'm going to set the cloud. Is that what we're calling it? A cloud? And I'm going to set it with this eyeshadow from the Nomad palette by Juvia's Place as well. We're going to use this color right here to set it, and this is what the palette looks like. I'm just packing it all over. Okay, moving on to the next Juvia's Place palette. I told y'all we using Juvia's Place all day. Who had a problem? Oh, that's what I thought. Now I'm going to go into the Magic Minis palette by Juvia's Place. This is what the palette looks like. This is the Magic Mini palette. Opening it up, this is what inside looks like. And I'm going to use a mixture of this shade right here, this shade next to it, and this one all the way over here. I'm going to use this one first to pack everything down, and then I use the last two to try to just like help the first shade, you know, pop even more. And I'm using a packer brush. I'm not even wetting these brushes, y'all. Like, this is the pigment on its own. This is the pigment performing on its own, okay? Y'all see that? And you guys see this brush gets right into those little pockets. Yeah, when I went downstairs a while ago, those men were looking at me like, because this eye was half done, this eye is pretty much finished. They were so confused, y'all. They were looking at me like, what the hell? I was like, I'm in the middle of filming a video. They probably still didn't know what the hell I was talking about. But they were like older guys, older like Jamaicans, so they were like
1 hour later.
So as you guys can see, I'm back. The face is officially complete. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the blue on the other side of my eye. So I'm jumping back into the Warriors #3 palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this blue, this exact blue that we used up here, and I'm gonna put it in my lower lash line, or underneath my lower lash line. I did also go ahead and add a white liner in my waterline just to help, you know, make the eyes pop just even more than they're already popping. So yeah, let me just go ahead and add the blue in the lower lash line. And I'm literally just pressing it in. Just like with this eye, I'm gonna wing it out just a little bit on the lower lash line. Just like that. How we looking? How we looking? How we looking? I think it looks really good. I've already added mascara to both of my falsies, which I am currently wearing. These are from my lash brand. If you're new, then hey boo. If you're new, I do have a lash business by the name of CAPRIAL NYC, and I'm currently wearing the signature lash style in CAPRIAL. I already added some mascara to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to do it on this eye as well. And this is the Fenty Beauty mascara. I also want to note that I did go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in How Many Carats. This is what it looks like. It does get stained from like your makeup, or if you have makeup on your face and you double dip, then it does get stained. But I did go ahead and pop on some How Many Carats. You see it, you see it. I might actually swirl a bit more on my nose. Cupid's bow, in case we lost some. A little bit more over here, why not? To match the icy vibe that we got going on the lid, you feel me? So let me go ahead and do my lips off camera, and I'll be back with slow-mos. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys love it as much as I love it. I love this look so much. I'm about to go take some pictures. You could definitely expect to see those pictures on the gram at the Stush Life. Make sure you go follow me over there and like the pictures and leave a comment. Let me know you're part of the Stush gang. Let me know you're coming from YouTube. Let me know down below if you would wear this look outside. I think I'm actually might go outside today, even though we're in quarantine. I'm gonna go outside to get some fresh air, safely of course. But yeah, comment down below if you would wear this look outside. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave me a big thumbs up down below. Don't head out without leaving me a big thumbs up. This look took a little while for me to complete, mostly because I did my eyes first and then I took a shower and then I did the rest of my face. It's pretty hot in New York, okay, so I just tried to break it up just a little bit. But yeah, this look did take a little while for me to complete, so make sure you leave me a big thumbs up down below if you did enjoy it. If you are new and you haven't already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that way you can officially become a part of the Stush gang. And don't forget to ring the bell while you're down there, that way you're alerted whenever I upload a new video. And until next time, until the next video, until the next upload, I'll see you guys all back here on Friday. I believe this video is going to be going up on Wednesday, so yeah, I'll see you back here on Friday. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for checking in. We back to consistency, okay? I need to take a little break, get my mind right, but we're back and we're better, okay? So I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.